This video will demonstrate how to spend your funds on Binance through its Bitrefill widget. Once logged into your account in the Binance app, click in the top left corner on the small Binance logo to access your account information. Click on the More Services button in the middle of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you see the Others section. Click on Marketplace. Look over at Featured Services and click on the Shopping Bitrefill button. Once you're inside the Bitrefill widget, you can choose the country of your choice in the top right corner of the widget right there. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to purchase an Uber Eats gift card in Mexico, but the process is the same no matter what product you buy on Bitrefill. For every product you're buying, you need to select the value of the gift card you're buying as demonstrated in the video. Enter your email address where you want to receive your gift card. You also have the option to subscribe to our promotional newsletter as well to receive exclusive offers. Click on Continue to Payment whenever you're ready to go. You will be prompted to a confirmation screen. Once you have double-checked everything, click on Pay. Click on Continue once again and then complete the security verification requirements to complete the purchase. The gift card will be delivered to your account automatically and you can use it immediately. Congratulations, you know how to use the Bitrefill widget on Binance.